Well, that's how I don't know. I try and come on so I make out how you big on Adom TV, multi TV, free celebrate represent on Kunobono. All of us are collective responsibility. Say me, Adwene on my Ghana, Wamla Badwam Mpensenpensemu, as I say it me do. They be Adam Kasebe Dase, so I jibre so share Belgium because of a lot of choices. Obetimi at the Akohodom. There I have a pledge. Jitum Sebe ya hafuni, me jitum Sebe Suma hafo. My name is Sefatama hafun kunimdi. Ene ni munyama ba afo nti wudi udi ni hye me Alex Bom ya afo de hye me Alisco P me ya afo de hye me Yakubu Yusuf Chipsa me ya afo ni de hye me Achirensu ahema papa bi me ya afo de hye na me Kenya se hema 1 and 2 papa bi editwum amrosa enyina ya afo de hye nti when you finish with that pledge na you are a subset of Ghana, so what it implies na say for that we are ever ready say ye be sum ye Ghana na ya sum ahafo so amani munyam kese pa so aba medical catch say onyam yadma na what me say dey ni me dey ya kwan ni titire ho komo no e be wie pay especially when bibia akodia dance ya ma Alex Boam ne Kofi Job ene new month for community me wie pay on the road ministry so dey wie pay on. We are grateful because ya kwan do na futuru kuyen, you know, keja si hwediem futuru kuyen, futuru ama ye hotels ne ye fie kura mutina no ayedin yi pa but said yes ye nya abotra be pem sa mpempensemu we me gidi say afade hye na nya abotra na na otwe me say da yanimi ye be hu say anamontu kase atimi aba wo ya kwan ene so nti ye hye no so mame emfa we ento anim very important. Honorable Peter Kwachiaka or Busheni Prekope ewo multimedia Badwam na Adom FM ana ekosisen wasempa eka Busheni Prekope na Bushia penya je se etwane furu mo ne ne hyase ye kɔ ne ye banyina na ye frɛ bribia da ogibre na we asema asem emu ewrem na yanso titu efise ne maame odne ba asase we so erade aton safre no o braisim de man ye fe ibitimi akase danyame ase ne say 102 years 102 years iti de onyame beye ana waye enti say ne onyam hye onyame de ahye no even though ne maame prekope ana afrim no e danyame ase for say ne onyam hye we say otimi ama oba panyin adwoa amoa ye kase de wato nsa frɛ na dan kokuma ekopem se nyina e be hye no n'animonyam mu dodo afanante Mary Same ma awoba tampa onyame mfa okra ensieye na eba betai nimnyamfo Peter Yakwachiaka eba betai na chi oye MP for Amenfi Central eba betai na chi na yakope ye maame krabia oba panyin adwoa amoa meka se eda no ye efiada ana ye hye anamuntu no akwantu na se ye 22nd of April edne tompem na ne memenda no yakope ne krabia wo manso amanfi emusiye na ne kwasiada no ede na ase asori ede atoa so memenda no kai hu se abusua etnase ewo manso amanfi DA School Park ona abusua etnase ekusie ne wi ne ba ona etnase na afei ya fesu no esanse ye ni monyam hye na ya accident no na ya sa ye gi amamre tumtum ye tumtum kakra bi be wo no na dodo na ye fita nti utim di tumtum ni fita kase ani na wo de aba beda onyame aso kwanso nkoso nti de da ho ni ye kojankoja nti enei Kwachiaka de na da ho yo ekina ebia na onso de na ekoda wo me enkonya kotai ye nua panyin nimnyamfo Peter Kwachiaka echi mesrew onti bibia ho a metie yi paso ti bibia se a mesrew twum adwene siso a metimi aboa na bibia ti mekoso mame sisu biem se eye fiada 22nd of April eno na ye ko edne tompem na 23rd no ya yi na ne kwasia da 24th no na asia sorry no so ya ni nyina kama ombeta echi ne kope the late Oba Ampofo-Adjei amoa empene krabia kama na nye fefefe. On that note, We are back to life. Ghana is back to life, not because of E-Levy, not because of anything, but because one gamer, a coastal, a unify, a we are seeing and for a tribal and for a political party, and for a Juma Oye, and for any Pabaya Oye. Just a game, and that game is football. And no, and I think Kenya is strong could be. Fiti enra, and you may know Sia, ebe pim, and nano pay, ebe twaswa, kwa. Se wona ya manyo semni wona ye central for fitimi to 2 no ma ya na ye ni generate mi akoso awie peyo na magana so akoso ay krabehwe na bibia timi ay kama ediama. So the excitement is on. No was a kwachaka manusi ko attend no be cause there be there. Akwa kwachaka, akwa college. Well, we watch you. Oh, good. But you're looking good. And also kotem kakra.
Thank you very much.
Oh, one ya kakra. But you kotem wo osisi mo
constituency no
that's the secret because almost all the time o doja o prefer say honest so question.
O said you hold there.
We say shape house and come no show but they be ada.
Oh, what from you pa. Ya time you call you mean kon wa. E-Levy ni na aboy ko ha. Ko ne person mo be fire say.
Na mo person mo be ya.
Dabi na ye time wo mpa. Na enrade omo abiti ye to 8. Ne enso ye be kire won say enye and no fit tuntu ya ma hye ya
enye papa
me de wase bebre me maame ayi ne ka ho en se wa hye nyam de wakan fa ho ayi de eno e ka ho ma hye tuntumi na enso secondly E-Levy no enso ma hye tuntum
so ntiase ye adwuma kama we presentations from both sides
oh me nua
where a be a minority they call for and next time do proper consultation say we dey mo dey asotwi bi aman as a dom kese ebre se fatem se mo di bibi ba mo ne ento adwen e ho no ma ne ye fre o ma democracy ye fre
da bi ene de sa na nkete e san se wo hwe parliament ho ise 137 ena eye kontinkura ba ko e ka ho o to ma won ye 130 dika de fe de se wo di ade bi ba wo ne afa ne fa nyina betena se na mo hwe atenetene no na ya hwe de ye beji atom ne ya ye nka e ma ne ye ntinka ye de mo o mo nye ne sa omo fan to say samre na no mo ye 169 no na ye 106 no sa mentality na wo madwim ntene na haruna bon kokko say omo hwe yie na say no be kode dia ene amamuo no e be din next time enye ma council of state mbem asofo mbem e say aba ne yekoto aba wa ba mu say me meto aba ma nyonko ye nye sa
Oni parliament ni esi akan.
Esi akan ne ekoto aba. Ade na omu ka se judiciary omu ebu asem a omu ka mu asem nko ha. 3 ounce of government.
Obi independent in the way.
Obi independent. Ye de se ye to aba. Asem no ade aba no. Ye mpene so ye to so aba frenchim. We de edu ba bi na obi hu kamu a. Na aba so de bi ade no mo hwe na mo.
Zana mo ntu na nya ndi so ma.
Debi. Mo mo nyesa. Omu nyesa. Kra ye say democracy ne okay abarika se ye nyintum. Enti we no entisa se ho ne ya hyase a ma menkyerechire kakra ebi no keka ansem bi magiska ma dabi ye ni brabre no yesu epese e ba pawo
na nya de moto no magigi
dabi na hwe na ogi sika kakra de be ma wono na ai kese na wo ho no
oni so de
kese na wo me so me ya minister bi yechi kura na mentina ha na nkwala small boy sabi ni mu ya ministers no na abeche sika na matena ha that be it will never happen no ade ye no nanka ye be boatwede ho for boy 4 months ya boatwede ye gina o si empene na if you have a peanut na skada hin ade be mai and I don't think say that is right but so
that commentary should cease
kura ko ya nyamofra da be ani abresi apese ba pawo na E-Levy and the omoko opposition now work or jessica now they are support you then you don't want to come to power enti the mum strategy I'm for so ntiase say parliament ho no yes side there wo nkrofo ho to say the nkrofo e ka so mo nimpa no mo there you so mo they have the men yes you will be oh ye camera mu a your professors ni ade ho why ye debate ho ayi ho ye debate ho floor said ye see debate ye wo quality no ne mo to da bia na strategy no e na offer strategy abefa no e bia enya manfo de eno ade see ne say yen nimpa nkrofo yi asin not MP no yeah 137 I see not MP omo range ya be nra okogina court ni ya be 136 what was here 138 because speaker at adwam na who say 138 no we ni ho adwasafo there is out conspicuously no she was missing you know why 137 so enim say yarefo say be baako e kan western region na now the ambulance abesi ho obi a sebe o yare saa no yeah, the ambulance free takura de aba whether he was there or not no we didn't know into onu kura ka ho a na so omo so aye 137 so ka ho a 137 and yes so yeah yeah shot baako enti say ke si eto aba na let's say belusu na elusu a said the magana for kanka montena na montena mu lusu sometimes no he who fights and runs away lives to fight another day oba back beko into strategy ni say yempie na anu ya na court emra yen 137 ye tsa korum nu semsem no ye boss ha eyinugu ye ye bo omo budget om de bae no omo sorry na ye tena se 137 na ye tugu ye say anya adwuma na ade chi omo be ye 138 ono kura nsem wo ho adwasafo betre say nya ono abi se ono a omo ye 138 and on boy ye gu ye say we didn't have the quorum and asemi e court Justice Abdullahi o call say okobi sem say quorum no any say and the Supreme Court e ba say quorum ye wumienu ba ko a ye de be city first no ye de start business and na ba ko so a who take decision you need half of the people and here two and here run ye call ye no na wa judge 137 no and for mu quorum Supreme Court na seven no ebra ye no what you go say 137 for mu quorum give the 138 yes okay and when you who say wo mu nya 138 at most no o be 137 and see sorry pie dia no mo agi E-Levy ni tuma
quorum na anya adwuma
enti me hu how a mo bo say strategically yes okay ye fie na sa judgment na court ni kan ye no amudi awe ye no the same court no asawe mu
as of the time am was it na mo comfort be atrase ye chese omo ya suti omo tie de koso gino ye kan omo kan ho ebia na bro aso
onim say you know ye 3 times a bill no first reading second reading third reading first reading na ye wo ho or the second reading go amendment ni ade bam eno so e say no so hia quorum every step be obehia no wo hia quorum because ye wie first one ye putu a question all those in favor interior and when we about second reading and you see we are you can all those in favor second reading there we assume you said you will can cry first one you mu be second one is way and so mu be say all those in favor no near we it's different and can and a third one so and so near we and 137 assuming say
if that was the case
adwasafo ni ho 137 yare for so or maybe but all came assume is almost some sacred in the maximum 137 and the enra ye na ye press conference and the case na court Supreme Court na mo can say 137 into your business of the house no ya sad ya bram say crofoi o ma pass E-Levy no with 137 mo kan wasem ye hwe ye nyina ye hwe de ombeka na say court ye krampa I don't think say we there these learned men in all their wisdom no they go against us. Maybe you know minister no strategy no. They also BT to it. They thought they were smart. You be bia. Na yeso ye smart ho. Nti ye hwe ma court na de o ma judge magana fo nyina hu say. Sabe the amanfo ka say to bia na enkoyie no. Kura na anya kure. Nti menua it is not over.
But the court will check the details. If you onim say adwasa for kura buy onim.
Adwasa for
be buy na onya.
Oh na say cameras ho. Cameras ho. And you ever fear any call, competi obi. Young penny oni pad you ever fee where you caught your
challenge power with E-Levy there.
E-Levy. Minia na abani sika we be waji. Or the yeden. I don't know ye. Yes, yentua to o na mo ba no. O say a tuya nye ba omiana no dem so I do Bank of Ghana they are going to change from taxes from what to production. Na do so anu dem we sika no ho sika so ensem bebre e no mbae bosia o mabo ne taxes amudi aba everybody is there to see. Nina Chino, one more Bobusia 340 billion from 122 and year one. I caught 340 within 6 years. Besides, I didn't know nothing. What my engineer, yes, no. The problem now you want, and you're taxing the people more. The OG and all the heading, on the ODI. We can account.
But you sit in Parliament, so this question will be, sir, apart from 1 or 2 BM, I think almost all the deals, in relation to Sika, almost 99% in them. The few ones being escape from
I don't necessarily know, bina, most are then, no. First, near Tinaho, near to about no winning, no. Muso win how much Parliament. Last, over 169, near 106. So there was nothing a bit my okay day, no my pass. Yes, sorry, I know my pass. And on broke as a go. We had no control. And then Adom Ghana for Abase. Your number no, and you say. And also, you have the NSC now so for back. Okay. Now, Council of State for back. Mungum, Mamam, and Koso. Okay. And that is it. Enter this time, you be any. Sanya Mom ye no. Say idea, Omadi Bibia, and Kayet. There's no accountability. Okay. If you say Sputnik here, $9, Omadi ye $19. Your friends at Parliament, how much have they come? You follow these things. Omobai. President or high plane or Gary room, a good so. Wa bra Ghana for ye bre. Now up to me a demo. To a quite 6 hours. Or some koda. First class, a community to say, President Opa 3 seats. Now did them. We say no, high planer, a empower, na a Gary room. Now what boy can't say £15,000 an hour. You don't account for it. The floor Parliament say be account. We say no, national security. Munchrim. It means the money is leaking there. And the DNTRA, who sounds like a tax bill, trade the only a scan why. We airport levy, airport scale Gigi. See a council match company or Gigi says canon. Up till now, they have not been able to tell us. Okay. Who took kind of bar? Why I'm sure to kind $150 no. And no, see a Casano Metrim.
This is more Casano.
Now, scan on G or my account. What Tremukran, the OG?
Mama, the breakdown of the account, long time. But how much your percentage they call Ghana Airport?
Sir, you know, Ghana Airport, yeah, $1 million, yeah. $1 million.
That's your percentage about.
And then the Ghana for Sikawaji, $12 million, and said, $1 million. Is it worth it? They are qualifying.
Okay, you call it. But about
what my man hit him, I factor. What boy approach E-Levy. There's no justification. Say, me send him Sika, over Jessica, me discard to my wallet, so what's at me? Because the E-Levy to ya, what's at me? What is it?
And Chimuno, a baby ye, Amiate, was ye, and your ma E-Levy no, Edin abono. They say the oye. What you must be winning the oho, but one we are not speculating. Now I could bought nipe. E-Levy she muno. You want your ma specific sir. One casa oya where's the other two winning. Nya way. Oh,
ja. Ni na say misika da wallet so a.
There be and jump sir. Where sir now the ehunu ase nipe.
Na ye me nia ehu. Ya je ta bola kura bola tax.
Okay, bola tax.
The
one of the biggest challenges that you have with this country, no. How are you ball?
It's bola no muji sika no scan fahi.
Okay, okay.
COVID na wo muji sika no.
Na me yasha si bunkunta cho.
Budia kunta.
Papa kunta baba ene. Papa kunta baba ene, I'm sure.
Oh, Jai.
Yeah.
I'm watching.
Yeah, my dude.
Na be chairman the pages so. Na me na yakos.
Uma yakọ COVID no wa. Ayi le na asem na o de wo no.
O ma me hota baby na. Na me so ayi jira e ba be. Na Omanhene, mi na so omukwen.
Omukọ court.
Ave do omukọ court today.
Baby you do your choice.
Say the NDC they believe in the Supreme Court.
But they have always
Me see NDC so much Supreme Court.
They have had challenges with the kind of rulings in Supreme Court.
Yes.
It has nothing to do with the.
But
they still believe that yes.
Judges
no, but I've drawn the distinction. No, I've drawn the distinction. I'm saying, and some do not court attend one and through Abano. And one of NDC.
Oh, me see bia said almost super judges e okoma.
Almost super ruling no.
Oh, na baby do almost kwande no kwakoje. Any ruling. Supreme Court no almost ruling no kwakoje. The same ruling na Supreme Court for the man. Papa me papa ni super almost super omo no. And they also almost court. Almost train omo. The judges are waiting for them.
One year.
Oh. Now,
one because of Musu Abada in the area or no.
Someone's on when you're here. Omanhene, me mama samu. And me Chronicle Obianko to be page 3. Omwa inusa. That's Omanhene ti wo. Fuseni. Omwa inusa Fuseni. Paragraph 2. The bill was passed by a one-sided parliament because the minority had staged a walkout. A strategy which has not found favor with the former lawmaker, cum lawyer, Mr. Inusa Fuseni, and other supporters of the NDC. Following comments on social media, the MP, in reacting to the proceedings of the House yesterday on Joy News television, said with his over a decade experience as a lawmaker, it was not wise for his colleagues to walk out.
It was not
wise.
Oh,
I'm in America. I have to make me read it from Chronicle. Obianko to be.
Chronicle on authority.
It was not wise.
Me see, I am in America. A quote from Omanhene of State. It was not wise. The strategy I've heard you was here the ambulance Papa no he was not in parliament. The ambulance that ambulance is always in parliament.
Ambulance
Parliament has a standing ambulance.
Akwajaga.
Okay. There's an ambulance in Parliament every day. Is what? Every day is where.
Papa no mzeli tumu bae.
Na so be enwe. Papa ni yei, papa ni pia. Show me.
Because you see a presentation. It means that Papa no
was not even part of our strategy.
The ambulance you are honest.
Then the ambulance and Parliament the ambulance.
Honestly.
There's no much ambulance in Parliament.
Honestly.
Oh, Pacho.
Amu twaba say mo ni soldier phobia ba.
Ambulance Parliament. Honestly.
Mo ni soldier for kwen.
Inusa say.
Mo ni soldier for kwen.
Inusa no mind watch.
Oh. Inusa say. It's unwise.
Oh.
But that's also another statement that is. If you say it's unwise, a decision by the leadership of all party, you say it's unwise?
It's unwise.
And I say,
I think there was a strategy. You just didn't have the number and you've confirmed it. Okay, so what confirm it? You did not have the numbers.
You didn't form a quorum.
Which quorum? At the time I put two questions, where were they? They were in the chamber.
How many questions?
They were now walking out of the chamber.
How many questions did you put? How many questions?
The judges will tell you.
Now
the video is there.
Also come on most mobile ones.
At the time we were walking out of Parliament, now speaker put two questions. No. We did the standing orders. When the decision to be made, members present.
So some members were present.
They were in the chamber. After no more working out. And the question was put.
Mom training.
Oh.
Now you see man. Training.
We see man.
You just beat them to strategy. But you see where any win for MPP and NDC. You best have a corner sir. Almost strategy now working. Almost CSR. No munya ko ye be court Enkusiaga. Enyam na make mo amunyu Fuseni say dem wo ye no. Enkusiaga. In Parliament, some person challengers stay and challenge the decision of the speaker. You stay in the house, no why you were Juma and challenge the speaker's decision. Man working out of my pass here we are afraid that a court. One more time, somebody your matter more. Oh, Omanhene say a simple matter.
First one now.
Strategy.
First one now. Yensu ye pass here. I don't know man na ho no man putu. Adechi na on buy ya on be cancel here.
Because you need
the same thing.
Why the difference between what the say when we walk out, the question had not been put. You were in the chamber.
How many questions were put?
You were in the chamber.
First reading, second reading here. Second reading
strategy that
maybe say second reading.
So as it's not now, you're E-Levy come.
Yeah. Third reading you pass it.
Minia.
It's been passed. It's been passed.
Oh dear. Now
it's been passed. And I want to see that.
No, I'm saying it's been passed.
It's been passed. Third reading passed. They say that.
But okay, these lapses, no. Okay, say the quorum for you guys.
Court.
What's a third reading? That's a court.
Court.
He's so confident about the court.
Because he believes in the process.
Yes.
No, he believes in the process.
He believes in all the judgments. He believes.
I can disagree with the judgment, but I mean, Mona must Ghana had the MPP judges. Can they be?
The Kwaja, I don't know what we say what Parliament.
Me say, or say, you put two questions. How many? Three.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
First one, no.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, first one, no. A committee. No. First one, no committee, no. And a report back.
Yeah.
Ne ye bobo, ya ya pass it. And assuming that the all can cry and cry, maybe free ho. Assuming that you all can cry and cry. That parliamentary debate, no, report, no, and a be an alcacia ho. We answer no amendment. Second read, ansana. Waba, E-Levy Nankasa passage so. 3. Second and third, no, now I know. First one, what's here? Second one, and a different one. Because I don't put you question. Or see you put you question near ho. You put you second one, now you move your ho. Third one, you move your ho.
Omanhene. They say they have lost. They've just lost the strategy. Invoke Article 104. Commenting on the chances of his colleagues being able to get the court to reverse the decision. Mr. Fuseni indicated such opportunity was slim in his view.
Slim, they say a slim. The other can't say a slim.
Omanhene, you have just lost it. Just understand.
Okay.
Your strategy now, you losing have the numbers. You've lost it.
When you see a losing, it is now the whole country will know, say, yeah, the strategy now working. No moment you were against the E-Levy.
You have been against the E-Levy since day one. Even at the committee level, we are finance committee member. At the committee level, every clause be a toswaba. Even at the committee level.
We need
yes, because there's a casting vote.
The casting vote, chairman.
A tie.
The casting vote. And even the report I did by Parliament, debating ran. It was clear in the conclusion. Said the minority voted, the 12 of them voted against it. So the decision that came was a majority decision.
It's the idea to Swabana, all cancer near one. And yet, report near the buyer, and yet to Swabano. Report now, okay, we just beat you to the report now.
So, so you move forward, no? Now it's from 175 to 1.5. It takes effect, David.
Okay, so now what normally happens is, said you name the process of a bill. Ya pass here, you know. Speaker director said table office. All the amendments they'll put it together nicely.
Those amendments were done in after the committee level or during the committee level.
After
or
we
at the
left.
floor. Oh, you have left.
We are left.
But I don't know.
Much of quorum neighbor. What's the entry?
You don't form a quorum. What
do you amend?
If you wanted to raise an issue, stay in the chamber. Stay in the chamber and raise a matter of quorum. You couldn't stay. You abandoned your duty as a member of Parliament.
So, Kwachi, what was the motivation for
that? What was the motivation
for movement? Sir President, first one I budget in Guyeno. They had worked out. And I 137, no, you take them decision, no. And the court has ruled, say, with 137, no, you don't form a quorum. And you can't do business in the house.
Omanhene.
And you say, yes, you are working out.
Or see E-Levy, you have a position.
Yes, you are working out.
No, they are thinking of the impact that E-Levy is going to have. Whether positive or negative.
E-Levy in the position. I
don't know what interrupts. Me say, President said first one, no.
But okay,
yes.
All right.
First one now, budget passage, no. Yen wanted to walk out. I don't know man now. No man raise quorum. Yen yakoi. And the yen wanted 7. You said no. Yen pay budget no. The next day no, they came. I yen hono. wɔn nso ɛfa 138 no ɛyɛ ɛde paase later no obi call court Abdullahi call court say open interpretation and the court rule say yeah 137 no we didn't form a quorum and nature say unkwa na other no walk out according to the court no you don't form a quorum so you cannot do business the same thing yansu say yansu ya walk out mo 136 how do you form a quorum then what's the first one na parliamentary committee near the buy no near ho assume say near ho as you are saying that is one business second business say you buy amendment was anybody in the chamber near ho so it means you didn't form a quorum and son now babaji and bill and kasa tum third reading no as near ho
okay so let's wrap up on this one so next issue so
the bill has been read for the third time
so it's now a deal
third time near ho
oh mama kasa also interrupt you
it's true because
the bill has been read for the third time
yes
passed
okay so
the speaker had directly said the table office and taking into consideration all the amendment put it together bring it to him he signs it off he goes to the president
okay
yeah
just say yes you and I'm American and no speaker say yeah so they abandon their duties.
I want you to ask him say third reading first reading second reading third reading third reading
first or second or third or speaker say
so how would the speaker not know part of the process before no ebeji to me say enko table office emra me ho ewia me sign af enko president
oh said ye obi be challenge
say ntom som kokot no enyem tira mo kokot
I don't know cause
that's a losing battle
oh losing battle here fight here there na omanfo no so ye dey sometimes o me yan kan ye yen ya fight here there ya position clear say we don't want the E-Levy the citizens na ade no e ba betare o mo no what have you done mo press for there na why mo so ede mo de mo nyon say ade no vast majority of the population
could there be a convincing reason why E-Levy should not come
E-Levy no tax na ma say taxes na mo je no any loans no ma je no there has not been any benefit to the country edi no this can
but you don't talk like that
oh minia
member of parliament
oh na minia na ayinti president plane ya akofa enem yomu a you dware gu yasu is it beneficial to us president would travel by first class and business now what is wrong with that
you are a widely traveled person
yes
winning usa kwade winning bambo hon hihye go pona wote so no nyoma winning na nkasa ya de if you just can't throw it out president edware go oh yeah that conversation
normal propaganda omunyai they will continue say normal the point is trying to make
but worrying when a member of parliament says that what jisika
waste
all the point he wants to make
is underestimate the things that he's pushing out
do asimo person can say ahochiraba president onitima emenipa no otifle mnyesa
but it could be so
no so abeji jisika fro
no baka be no dey buy
or the V8 dey buy
V8 and one for trauma aden no
urban
one for trauma
no
I'm sure there's poverty in his constituency
no
Saka so bet me car ketwa why is he using a V8 why did he pick a V8 instead of a Toyota
I didn't bring a V8 I don't have me the pick up the buy what will me pick up the buy yes
Omanhene me say this kind of is appealing to the emotions of people hey ohiaba yes obi ajetum so ohiaba ahochiraba I don't know how to obi edim say ahochiraba
winua
but at the time no mo abem no so na ahochire wo
they make sure to say
look ahochire wo but you can use the V8
so you should V8
no you can travel but what V8 they say is just for share
Mama reply say we are not against mo CEO ha wo you should Bukedio said car reference Bugatti I don't have a problem because I'm CEO our ha so you should Bugatti I don't have a problem
so the private
because only the private nobody is paying for it
that's right
me car say you should airplane kurana it is not from the government it is my private you know I've sailed for several years
yes
it me a year
oh of course
okay name president or no all travel no ye na yetuaka president office no one the sika ato play but while we are paying for it now we can entighten your belt na say plane bi obetun di akọ first class and also a minus what to plane amount say president yen person mix it with other people no enti plane if akọ wo say there be plane no mempe no me special one 1 hour make you 15,000 pounds but that's your people are suffering. It doesn't make sense.
No, this is the main from Jujasa. How the money could try disagree.
Okay.
A speculation.
Speculation, Grana, it is expensive. It is a luxury plane. And I'm just saying, it doesn't make sense. Me, I say, continue like then you defend the sections. One day, citizens will not agree. Because who catches untighten the belt? Who hears Scala or Lusu? It doesn't make sense. Traveling, all the first class, me. Sabi, me too kwanya, make me for first class, make me for business. But I don't use it. Because I have a family. I consider price I'll bet you on the first class no. About 4-5 times. Play no fear here. Here you know
First, second,
you know